A traveler came upon a monk sitting beside a stone in the middle of a stream. The monk had been there since dawn, unmoving. The traveler asked, "What are you waiting for?" The monk said nothing. The traveler sat down to watch. Water flowed around the stone, clear and constant. Hours passed. The stone seemed unchanged. As the sun lowered, the traveler noticed something, a slight hollow where the water struck, smoothness that hadn't been there at first light. Or perhaps it had always been there. The monk rose and walked away. The traveler remained, watching the water touch the stone.